English teacher in the English department and Colegio Internacional Sekel Castillo in Madrid. Okay, I'm using the smartboard software and the smartboard to teach children to learn to read in English, and we use a phonics system here. I've designed some pages. There's a series of pages really that I work with alone. I work with the children, interacting with them, and also the children can come out alone and work on their own with the board. The first part of the process is the sounds, okay? The children in phonics have to learn sounds. They learn the sounds through songs, through different actions. For example, they learn the A. We listen to the song.
My ear hurt, I was in pain. A. My ear hurt, I was in pain. What did you try to say?
And then we start to read. Rain, rain. Okay, and then we can listen to the rain. Okay. The next part of the process is to get the sounds together, to blend the sounds and start to read. And for that, we have a page called Star Readers. If we go back to the A, here we have the A words, okay? So the children, they look at the A, we remind them it's the A, and then they have to learn to read paint. For comprehension, because it's English, not a native language, they read the word paint, paint, they come up, touch the paint, and then they see a paint box. They touch the train word, and then they see a train. Okay. Next part of the process is that the children have to realise that these sounds, the A, can be spelled alternatively, different ways of spelling, okay? So the A, you can spell the A this way, or this way.
A.
Here, the children have to find the correct A, okay? So they touch the word rain.
Rain.
And they have to decide if the rain goes here, here, or here. Obviously it goes here. Then they would touch the word crayons.
Crayon.
And they'd find the correct sound cloud. Okay? Next, to work again what is comprehension in English, we have to do a word picture match, okay? We try to match the words to the pictures. So here the children come out to the board and they look at the pictures and they try and find the correct word. For example, sheep. They have to find the word sheep. Bring it down and put it to the picture. They can also touch the picture and we have the sound of the sheep. Another part of this where the children work alone is self-evaluation. The children, with me initially, will look at the board and we'll do a worksheet. For example, we'll choose one. Flag. Flag. Tent. Find the tent, etc. Then we'll rub out all of this information. The children do their worksheet on their own. Then they come out to the board and they check the answers, okay? So they do it themselves, they find flag, etc. Check their work here against the work here. Another part of the process in teaching phonics to the children is they have to learn tricky words, okay? These words are learned differently from the decodable words. We don't learn them through the sounds, we learn them through memory. And this with the board is very good because the children love to interact and play with the tricky words. So, for example, tricky words. The children would come up, press the frog, and we hear I. Then we hear the. Then we hear to. R. And the children can come and I can say, okay, find me the word I. They have to circle the I, and they have the I. Find me the word the. They have to bring the. Find the, etc. Sentence match. Again, because it's not their native language, they have to learn comprehension. So we have a sentence match page. And here they have to try to match the sentences to the pictures. Very simple. For example, we open a page and we have fishes can swim. Find me, fishes can swim. The children take the sentence and put it to the picture. The man is sad. We'll take the sentence and put it